So, hello guys, I'm going to show how to calculate hours worked in Excel and to subtract break time. So I will try to show you a quick way to do it, and I will do the same example as above, and I'm going to do all the steps. So here you start by writing what you want, right? I will even copy some to be faster. Okay, so here, for instance, I'll copy this. Okay, here, just go to the background and paint another color. Like this. Put it on bold. You can even center this. Align it in the middle. Okay, so for instance, if you start to work at 9 a.m., you can see here, you have to put on this format. And if you start every day, not every day, but on Tuesday you can start at 10 a.m., but the other days you start at 9 a.m. Okay, so and if you end at 6 p.m., for instance, here p.m., and the next day you end at 7 p.m. This is just examples. Then you can put the values as you want here. Break time, normal break time, you put like what, an hour. Try with 1 hour. All right, so the other day you have 2 hours. Okay, here 1 hour too, also 1 hour. So to calculate the working time, you have some things that you have to think about. This you have to subtract this from this minus this and minus this. Okay, but also maybe you want to add an if. So an if condition. What I mean is, imagine this goes to 10 a.m. This part means that you are going to the Saturday, all right, in the morning. Imagine you work a lot, and it will give an error if you try to subtract this to this. So I also have to add an if. So I'm going to just copy this function I have already created. So here I add this. Okay, this is from the values from above. So I will just need to substitute here for 14. All right, 14. This plus 1 means another day. And this condition fails, it will just keep the same value here. And then I subtract this column, this cell, and then I will subtract the break time. All right, enter. So it's a normal day of work. Then you replicate the function to here, so it's all right because here I have 2 hours break, so it's working well. If you want to remove this AM, you just go to Format, Number, More Formats, Custom Number Format, okay, and you remove this, Apply. So it's working well. You can change the color here. So for the total, you just have to do a sum here, like I did above. So here you put equals sum beginning, so it's F14 till F18, right? So, but as you see, it didn't give us the expected amount of time, right? Because this is on formatting as a time. So you have to format this cell as a number, and here you pick duration. All right. So as you see now, it's correct, but probably you don't want as with seconds. So we'll go again on format, more formats, custom number format, and here you remove the seconds, apply, and that's it, guys. Hope you like it. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.